we are here with one of new product. It's a smart Wi-Fi doorbell. Let's see what's inside. We have one charging cable. It's a normal micro USB cable. We have some screws to mount doorbell. Here we have a main device. And back side you can see there is a mount bracket. You can just slide it down and remove it. Here we have QR code for the device. Let's see what else we have. We have one user manual, and we have one indoor receiver for the doorbell. Okay, let's see how it's work and how can we connect with our mobile phones and with our home network. So first of all, we have to download the applications for this particular device. It's called Doorbell. You can just search on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Just search over here, Doorbell. You can see the first application over here. This is the application. Okay, we already downloaded. Let's open the application. So first of all, it will ask you for the registration. Let me see the main page. This is the main page of the application. From here you can just sign up, email ID, password, and repeat the password. So it will register your email ID. We already did it, so let's log in over here. So from here you can just add the device. What you need to do, just click over here. It will go to the QR code. So open the QR code from device and just scan it. So it will show you like this. It will wait for 5 seconds. Then you can go to the next page. And here you have to insert your Wi-Fi password for your home. Just click next. So it will showing you like connecting the device. It will take around 4 to 5 seconds. But make sure the orange light is turned on your doorbell. Otherwise it will not connect.
Please use app to configure Wi-Fi name and password. Wi-Fi configuration succeeds.
Here you can hear the sound like Wi-Fi successfully. You can see over here it's connected successfully. Now click done. So it's setup completed. So now someone press your doorbell from outside your house. You can get notification on direct on your mobile phone. Let me see. You can see live feed over here. Once you pick up the call, you can talk with them using the micro hold button. You can take pictures from here. You can take video recording from here as well. Okay. And inside the application, you can also get the log from previous call and pick up, then everything over here. Here you can see all the logs. If someone answers the doorbell, reject the doorbell, everything you can see over here. You can also use this receiver to mount in your home, like inside your house, so you can get the notification when someone presses the doorbell. If your phone is not around with you, so it will be easy to hear that someone is outside. Reject the call. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel.